At Borg, we don't just create quality products, we create quality jobs. Right now, 2,200 of us perform 250 roles across 10 companies in 40 locations around Australia. And we're always expanding. Because we're not just invested in our future, we're invested in yours.
Working at Borg, it promotes opportunity. You can start here as an operator on the floor or someone on the floor in maintenance, as a cleaner, and there's always a path of progression from the very bottom all the way to the top.
When I started, I was just a factory operator, and then I moved up from that to a machine operator, and then I got into uni and asked if I could transition over into the IT sector.
When I first started at Borg, my main role was customer service and data entry. An opportunity arose in the current team I'm in now, in planning, and I spoke to my boss and said I was interested in the role and ready to take on more. I want more responsibility, and he gave me the job. It was as easy as that.
Every position I've gone into, there's always been somebody to champion me into that next level, and the support that you get from your peers, you can't compare it to anything else.
When I left high school, I always wanted to be a photographer. It was always the dream job, and Borg has helped me get there to where I am today. I honestly don't think that I would be travelling around Australia, getting to see all these amazing projects and getting to see my photography on the side of trucks going up and down the freeway every day. It's awesome.
So I think it's really good that they give their younger personnel an opportunity to grow and better their careers, and not just being a production worker or a labourer. They can move forward to being like either a manager or a supervisor if that's what they want to be. That's what I really like.
Because there is so many different lines and jobs available on site, if for some reason your circumstances change, they're more than happy to help you fit into another role, to keep you and to make sure that they're keeping good quality workers on site.
It's very diverse with the work that we get to do, so you're not just focusing on, minor parts of the trade and things like that. You get to cover the whole trade. So yeah, it's a big eye opener. It's a great place to work.
When I heard about a job here, you had that availability of becoming an engineer, becoming a manager, all that sort of stuff in between, where you learn the in-depth, complicated stuff that is involved with being an electrician, where it was a nice change.
So when I first started here, it was just the brand Polytec, manufacturing kitchen doors and decorative surfaces. Today we're in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing to agriculture, electrical to property development. There's positions for just about anything. It feels like the opportunities are endless.
What excites me about the future of Borg is we are constantly thinking of ways to reduce the carbon footprint and improve processes and productions, but in an environmentally friendly way.
In the future, we're looking at running particle board minimum 80% waste wood, which that just end up in bins or landfill or something like that, to being able to capture that wasted material, recycle it back into something that ends up in people's homes is brilliant for the environment and for everyone involved.
The thing I enjoy most about working for Borg is it's a big business, but it feels like a small business, like it's a tight community. You kind of know everyone, and everyone sort of works for each other and work together. It's really enjoyable.
Probably the most impressive thing for Borg is that I always see the owners still walking around. They still visit the factories, they're still in the office every day, and it's constantly growing.
What excites me the most is where this company is headed. Borg is putting a lot of money into automation and innovation, and it's great to be on the forefront of these new technologies.
It's an Australian-owned company. It's local. We employ over 2,000 employees, and it also feels special to be a part of something and watching it grow from where it is.
The things that excite me about the future at Borg is knowing that it's going to grow just as big as it's done in the last 14 years that I've been here. So just excited to put the seatbelt on and see where it ends up.